everyone. My name is Princessa Latheresya Sembiring and I'm from A1 class English Literature. And here I wanna tell you about my hometown. So here we go. I will tell you about my hometown. I live on the island of Sumatra, precisely in Sumatra province, or what people usually know is Medan. I live in one of the district, precisely Simalungun Regency, Prasmian village. In Prasmian, there are many fields or rice fields. The people are mostly work as farmers and have large areas of land. Farmers grow many kinds of plants. Usually, they more often plant chilies, rice, onions, tomatoes, orange, and vegetables. In Prasmian, there are many simple houses and several churches. In Prasmian, there are no tourist attraction because if people there want to go to tourist attraction, they will go to like Toba, Brastagi, Pematang Siantar, or Medan. At Prasmian, the atmosphere is still very cool and not at all political. Even though Prasmian is the highway to Kuala Namu International Airport, the people there are very friendly and still have a spirit of tolerance and want to help others because they consider the people there are to be family. In Prasmian, there is no mosque because the mosque is located in Sarang Padang, the village after Prasmian. There, there are no large monuments or statues in Prasmian, but there is a sub-district office located right in front of my house. And in Prasmian, there is still a strong culture of the past, and Prasmian is located after Seribu Dolok. That's all from me about my hometown. If you want to visit, you can come to North Sumatra. That's all, and thank you. Bye bye.
다음에 또 만나요 우리 모두